Hey friends, Gary here. So yesterday I got some comments on one of my photos. Hey Gary, stunning pictures, congratulations. Your camera must be really good. And then another comment. Wow, look at those details. That's only possible if you are using a full frame camera. Nice job. Did you notice some pattern with these comments? People think the camera is the reason why my photo looks nice. Not the photographer, the camera. Oh, I'm quite sure these people meant to compliment my pictures, but it really got me thinking. People don't really appreciate the effort, the time, and the skill needed to create this beautiful picture. They think it's just the camera, instant click and you get a nice picture. Anyway, you guys know that I'm a big fan of Micro Four Thirds camera, right? So I proceed to tell these people, hey, thank you for the nice comment. Actually, I use an old, cheap, small sensor Micro Four Thirds camera to capture this nice picture. You know what happened next after I tell those guys that I use Micro Four Thirds to capture this camera? Their reaction changed. Oh, I see. No wonder, Gary. Look at the lack of shadow detail. Look at the lack of micro contrast. I think your camera is struggling. It doesn't look professional at all. And then the other guy, oh, I see, Gary. That's why this picture lacks the resolution. You should use full frame camera because this one actually looks amateur. You should invest in a proper camera gear, not Micro Four Thirds. People will not take you seriously. What the hell? Have you guys experienced something like this before? I want to know. Please comment down below and let's have a little bit of a discussion. Unfortunately, snobbery is very real, especially in photography. People care more about the camera gear. They don't really care about the photographer. They just want to instantly take nice pictures and they think it's the camera, not the skill of the photographer. Truth is, camera is only a small part of what makes a good picture. I think the skill of the photographer matters more than just having a nice camera. Being able to create a nice composition, being able to pick the perfect moment, being able to tell a story using your picture, and also to be able to express creative ideas using your picture, I think are more important than just having a nice large sensor full frame camera. Anyway, to prove my point, I'm sharing some pictures taken using my phone. Yes, you heard me right, my phone, not my Micro Four Thirds cameras. Well, I'm quite sure that the quality, especially the details, will not match my Micro Four Thirds camera. However, I still think they are more than good enough for general viewing pleasure. So what I want to try to say to you guys is that instead of worrying about our camera gear, let's improve our photography skill. Ignore those snobbery comments. Just focus on being a better photographer. I mean, if I want the best of the best, I will not be shooting Micro Four Thirds camera. I will be using medium format camera instead. Anyway, sorry for this rant. I don't mean to offend anybody, and hopefully you guys take this more as sort of a motivation and inspiration so that you want to improve your photo skill further. Speaking of improving your photo skill, I have an ebook called Simplifying Travel Photography. It's all you need to know about travel photography, the ins and outs of travel photography. In that ebook, you will learn all about composition, about storytelling, about camera gear selection, and also about editing. If you want to instantly improve your travel photos, go to this link right here or scan this QR code right here using your phone. And I hope that this ebook will help you to improve your photography skill. Anyway, that's all for today's video. Hopefully this has been interesting. So please comment down below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel. Or if you want to support my work even further, consider using the affiliate links on the description below or use the super thanks button to make a small donation to my channel. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.